Hi guys.
I guess.
From the title you can see that we are back again with some of the job updates. So पिछले दो वीडियोस में काफी कमेंट्स और कॉन्टैक्ट्स के थ्रू हमें पता चला है कि you guys needed some of the hiring challenges and job updates that should be covered in the next video. So we are back with another video. So this time we will be covering hiring challenges, analyst positions, software updates, and much more. So please stay tuned.
Okay, so we got a lot of comments asking us to cover this particular challenge. So here it is. It's Just Pay Developers Hiring Challenge brought to you by Dare to Compete. And the registration deadline is 25th June. So it's only 3 days left now. So I urge you to quickly apply for this challenge. And yeah, so these are the rounds that are part of this challenge. The first round being the preliminary round, the second is the coding challenge, third one is the final coding battle, and the last one being the 2 day hackathon. Now, coming to the eligibility criteria, they are it's open to working professionals with 0 to 1 years of experience and uh, students doing their BTech in their third year or final year. Yep. And the skills required is only functional programming, and the roles that they are offering is responsible creator, development artist, and FP seeker. And all this comes under Just Pay Developers. As you can see, the prizes and rewards constitute of basically if you clear the round 4, you will be hired as an intern with a stipend of 40,000 per month for 6 months. And as it's written, it might be extended to 8 to 12 months as well. And if you show good performance, you can also be hired as a full-time employee with a salary of 13 to 15 lakhs per annum. Okay, so the next challenge is a hiring challenge again offered by Object Edge, and it will be held on HackerEarth platform. As you can see, it hasn't started yet. The Kindly note down the dates. It opens on July 9th and closes on July 18th. So these are the registration dates that you should keep in mind. And the duration of the test is, as mentioned, 2 hours 30 minutes. The salary that they'll be offering will be between 4 to 7 LPA. And the two positions that they are offering is software engineer. These are the technologies that you should be familiar with. And the second position is the quality engineer. And and similarly, the technologies that you should be knowing. Now, coming to the eligibility, so it's open for 2021 batch and below. So all freshers can apply. The skills that they're looking for are good aptitude skills, fundamentals of programming, and working knowledge. So about the test, it will comprise of 10 MCQs and 2 basic programming questions.
So moving on to the next opportunity, it's by HCL. So HCL is conducting its virtual recruitment drive for fresh engineers from June 26, 2021 onwards. As you can see, you can register here. Uh, it will be a virtual process. These are the steps, like first there will be counseling, then application submission, then aptitude test, interview discussion, and offer letter release. Now, coming to the eligibility criteria, any engineering grad can apply for it. You must have 65% and above for class 12th as well as graduation. The batches that can apply is from all the batches of 2017, 18, 19, 20, and 2021. Once you apply
Fantastic.
and get into the process, you will get to know the positions that you are applicable for, and then you will be able to select that on which position you will be working. So this was it for HCL. The next opportunity is from Wipro. It's a work integrated learning program 2021, and it's only for our BCA and BSc students who have been passing in the year 2021. So the criteria is 60% or 6 CGPA and above in graduation, and 10th and 12th should be passed. Coming to the selection process, there will be an 80 minutes online assessment consisting of aptitude test, verbal, analytical, quantitative, each of 20 minutes, and a written communication test of 20 minutes. So upon the selection, you will be called for a technical interview and followed by HR. Once you are been selected for Wipro, you need to sign a bond of 60 months, a service agreement, which is around 5 years. So this job is only for our BCA and BSc students. BCA and BSc also stream of computer science, information technology, mathematics, statistics, and electronics and physics.
Okay, so next is a full-time job posted by JP Morgan for the position of a software engineer. So you should apply before 30th of June, and the location is in Bangalore, Karnataka. So coming to the job description, you can read about it. The skills that they're looking for is Java, Spring Boot, and React, and you should be familiar with concepts of REST and also a few database languages such as Oracle and NoSQL. Yeah, so as no eligibility criteria is mentioned as such, batches 2020 and 2021 can apply. So the next job posting is from Accenture and the job title is Associate Software Engineer. You can click on the view job description. So you'll be able to see the what the role is about and the skills that you need. Three skills that they're looking for is .NET, SFDC, and SAP. Now, so you're supposed to fill up this form, which will ask you for a few personal details, your educational details, or your professional details. Then you need to upload your resume and the skills that you are and your skill set basically. And lastly, your preferred location. So there's no deadline mentioned on this form, but I request you to kindly go and apply for it as soon as possible because we don't know when this form is going to close.
So the next job opportunity is an intern position offered from Electronics Art, that is EA, as everyone knows what EA is. So they are offering a software engineering position located location will be Hyderabad, and it will be an internship position. So the responsibilities will be related to the new games, about testing and development of the new games. Uh, BE, BE, BTech, and MCA students can apply for it. You should have good knowledge of C++, Android SDK, and Objective C, as these all are required for gaming and game development. So 2021, also 2022 students can apply for it as it is an internship position. Moving on, next we will come to Amazon. Amazon is also offering a internship position for programming analyst. So you should be strong in C++ or Java and have a knowledge about Unix or Linux operating system. And if any, you can have a experience of 0 to 3 years. And yes, you can come here and apply for it. So same 2020 and 2021 and 2022 students are applicable for this programming analyst intern. So the next job opportunity is from Mentra, data analyst, Mentra emerging levels. So this job requires 1 to 2 years of work experience, and they need some knowledge that you must have. Some of them are SQL and advanced Excel. Second is problem solving skills, and third is Python and statistics. I will repeat it again. Only experienced person can apply. 1 to 2 years of experienced person can apply in Mintra for data analyst. So here are the details you need to fill. Upload your resume and LinkedIn as well as any website that you might be having. So this was it for Mintra.
Okay, so the last job opportunity is from Cognizant for the position of a data analyst. The job location is Pune, Maharashtra, and you should have a bachelor's degree with you. That's the minimum qualification that they're looking for. These are the responsibilities that you can read about. The must have skill is MS Excel, so you should be good at that. So, this brings us to the end of our video. I hope that this video is helpful for you as we tried to cover a range of companies, a range of opportunities for you, starting from internships to job opportunities to hiring challenges. So if you like today's video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with people who you think it might be helpful or it might benefit to. Till then, take care and prepare well.
All the links to the job updates will be in the description box below. Also, you can check out our interview experience series as well as our blog that will be in the outro coming up next.